we're going to show you how to turn this into this. Start by joining the face of the board. Now that we've got a flat face, we're going to reference that on the fence of our joiner so that we can joint one of the thin sides of the board. Now for what it's worth, this is 100-year-old wood. It's reclaimed, and I'm actually leaving these marks here. You would not normally leave these. Normally you want it looking perfectly good and smooth like this, but I kind of like this for whatever project I'm going to do. So I don't think it's going to mess with the next step of our milling process. Alright, now we have 1, 2 beautiful clean looking sides. In order to get this nasty looking side looking good, we're going to move on to the thickness planer. Dedicated to finishing this video for you. I'm standing out here on the range because my son made me. Now we have 1, 2, 3 finished edges. All we got to do now is get this 4th gross looking edge prettied up, and then we have an amazing piece of lumber. And you will too if you follow these steps.
Alright, let's make this cut. Hopefully we don't lose any fingers.
What do these two boards have in common? They're the same species, but they're a lot different in size. If you notice, this board is probably a good 1/4 inch thicker. This is the board we just milled up on this video. This is a board that I milled up earlier, but I messed up one very important part. I used the jointer too much on this board, and it cost me a lot. So as you can see, it cost me about a 1/4 inch or maybe more in thickness. And this way, probably about a 1/2 inch in thickness this way. The boards were different lengths, so that wasn't a milling catastrophe. But I have so much more board here just because we milled this up properly. So mill your boards properly the first time. We tried to make this video really succinct, very easy to digest. If you go through this process and your tools are calibrated fairly well, you're going to end up with some really amazing and beautiful lumber. So let's cut to some glory shots of this piece that we just milled up. This is white oak. It's what's called ironwood. It's over 100 years old, and it looks pretty good.